Hello friends, today we are going to deal with part 1 geomorphology lecture number 4. Okay, so we start from 26th number in a question form. Which of the following is a strongly presumptive fault line scrap? Here options are superimposed drainage across a fault, actual fault plane identify allying the scrap, frequent severe earthquake, poor correlation between rock resistance and topographic forms. Here in question ask about strongly presumptive means which is related to fault line scrap. Now what is fault line scrap? Here from the image we can see as the block is moving in downward direction and this block is moving in upward direction. Here is a fault line and this part is a fault scrap, and the real image looks like this is a fault scrap. So in question asking about which of the following is a strongly presumptive fault line scrap. Here answer would be poor correlation between rock resistance and topographic forms. Means fault line scrap is a cliff or escarpment resulting from the erosion of soft rock that has been brought against hard rock by faulting. Therefore, it is a poor correlation between rock resistance and topographic forms. So, the answer is D. Okay. Now, the 27th question is who wrote the book Illustration of the Huttonian Theory of the Earth? There are four options. The answer is C. John Playfair. John Playfair wrote the book Illustration of the Huttonian Theory of the Earth. And who was John Playfair? He was a Scottish mathematician and geologist who explained Hutton's theories on erosion, geothermal heat in rock formation, and uniformitarianism with his own precise observations on various types of rock strata. And this is the book cover of Illustration of the Huttonian Theory of the Earth, written by John Playfair. Okay. Now the 28th is about concept and its proposer. Tetrahedral hypothesis. The proposer is Lothian Green. Tetrahedral hypothesis is given by Lothian Green. Convectional current theory is given by Arthur Holmes. Penny plane is given by William Morris Davies. Uniformitarianism, Hutton. We should remember this. And 29th question is about who postulated the concept of base level. Answer is D. J. W. Powell. J. W. Powell gave the concept of base level and explained the level as the level below which streams could not cut off. That is the last stage where stream could not cut. That is base level. The concept base level is given by J. W. Powell. Now the last question is about is Rai is an example of. Here are four options. The answer is C. Submerged upland shorelines. Submerged upland coasts are formed when margins of irregular uplands are submerged and can be typically of three types: Rai, Jord, Dalmatian, that is longitudinal. Rise are formed when valleys in dissected uplands are submerged, and these are one type of drowned river valley. Now understand from this diagram. This is a picture of Ria or Rai, and this is the diagram. Rai is nothing but a long narrow inlet, partial submergence of unglaciated river valley. Remember this. Rai is a long narrow inlet, partial submergence of unglaciated. It is not glaciated. It is a unglaciated river valley that is submerged. That is called Ria. This is the diagram, and this is the red dotted line shows former courses of river whose valley have been drawn. This has been drawn, and how it looks like we can see from this picture. That is Ria. And what is Zord or what is Ford? A long, narrow, deep. Here we have to remember it is deep inland. It is deep inlet. It is not as deep as Ria is not as deep as Zord. So here we can see this is deep. It is formed due to glaciation. Zord is formed due to glaciation, but Ria is not formed due to glaciation. It is unglaciated river valley that submerged. And now how it has become like this U-shaped valley? It looks like U-shaped. How has it become? In the initial stage there was ice moving in this direction, and the ice has carved this area, and whatever carved from this area has deposited here. That is the entrance point of Zord. So Zord is a long, narrow, deep inlet formed due to glaciation, and the real picture looks like this. This is a Zord. This is a Zord. And the last topic is about Dalmatian. Is a longitudinal coast where the mountains runs parallel to the coast. Now this shaded region is a ridges, and this is also a ridges or mountain. This is also a ridges. This is also ridges or mountain, and the red dotted line is a former courses of river whose valley have been drawn. So Dalmatian is a longitudinal coast where the mountains run parallel to the coast. So we can see the mountains is parallel to the coast. So that's all for this video. Thank you.